Welcome in this video in my channel. I'm going to explain you how to repair a mouse, in particular when you see that doesn't work well the wheel. This is my mouse, is a Trust. It's a nice mouse as the wheel as all, and as you can see here, you see that when you move the wheel, the problem is doesn't work well. And you think that this problem you have to throw away this mouse if you have this problem, but it's not so. There is a possibility that you can repair your mouse, and it's not so difficult. So that's why I'm doing this video. I'm telling you that you can repair the mouse. So what you need to repair the mouse is this alcohol. Is a prolific, you can see, and you can find on Amazon. It's very easy and it's not expensive, around 2-3 euro, but this does miracle. So if someone tells you that you have to clean the mouse, is not enough, because I cleaned this mouse, but I before to throw away the mouse, so let me try with this. And other many times I used this alcohol and work it. For example, when a keyboard entered some tea or some coffee, I used this and I repaired the keyboard. So what you need to do is this. Let's remove the mouse here, and with a little screw I'm removing here, and you remove, and you open the mouse. And when you have finished, simply when you have opened, go to where is the wheel, and use the spray. Put some spray, enough, I just 4 or 5 times, and it will work greatly. Now let's see. Already I clean, of course, and let's see if it works. This is the mouse, and you see if it's working. Okay, let's see. You'll see that it works very well. You see that it's doing, and you see that it's working perfectly. So thank you for watching the video. I hope this video helped you, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.